Okay, so this is a big milestone, video number 500. If you're gonna take a look at an overview of the channel, I will go over here to search for the most popular videos, and we're gonna see that most of them will be regarding CATIA, and some of them are quite old. So we see that I added this video 5 years ago, 4 years ago, and afterwards this video regarding Blender, which I added 1 year ago, is quite popular among others. If I will check over here and I will do a search for CATIA, I will see that more than half of the videos that I already published are regarding CATIA. And I decided that starting from now on, I will give Fusion some more visibility, mainly because Fusion attracts more views on YouTube. As I saw, it is a little bit more popular. For example, the video regarding headphone design, you're gonna see that this already has quite a lot of views. And if I will go back and scroll, let's say, for some videos regarding this week, the comparison between bridging two planes, we're gonna see how many views and likes that gather compared to some other videos which are mostly just within CATIA. There are also some that didn't manage to attract so many views, but overall I feel like CATIA V5 is quite saturated on YouTube. And this is why I will want to create some more content regarding Fusion. I will also put the weekly analytics regarding, let's say, the stats from the last week from March. And we're gonna see that even though a lot of people end up on my channel, mainly from external links, so not directly since they are not subscribed, only a very few % of them decide to follow this. So this is why I will mainly create some content regarding Fusion in the near future, and also regarding Unity, because if you're gonna check the header over here, 3D comparison is, let's say, mostly focused on CATIA, on SolidWorks, but I will start to create content for Fusion. And also I added Unity over here, and I want to do a series regarding Unity, mainly regarding VR, AR, and mixed reality. Okay, so if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider to subscribe. Within the following section, I will add the weekly recap for the last week of March. As we can see, quite a few people decided to subscribe, so only 26 out of almost 5K people. And also we see that mostly external and YouTube searches are the most popular. And the most popular videos will be regarding Fusion mostly, and also Blender. And quite a few comments, so only 3 comments during this week. And if you're gonna take a look at the caption, 6% of the viewers decided to use caption. So this is the weekly report for me. Let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding the direction of this channel. If you mostly use just CATIA, or if you also like other solutions, maybe Blender, maybe SolidWorks, and so on. Because I'm really curious what, let's say, are the most popular CAD solutions or 3D modeling software that people are using.